Hello my dear principal, teachers and friends. Myself B. Chaitan from 8A. Today I am going to speak about 5 superfoods of India. When we think about our superfoods, we get ghee, coconut, turmeric and amla in our mind, which are truly superfoods. But today I am going to tell you about 5 unsung superfoods of India. A superfood is something which offers multiple health benefits because of its exceptional nutrient profile. They should be local, it should be pocket friendly, and they should have time tested quality to it. So by this definition, foods like avocados, kiwis and kale or leaf cabbage might be superfood in places they are produced, but not in India because they are not produced locally in India. Number 5. Drumstick. Drumstick taste is well known to Indians since a very long time. We usually use long pods of drumsticks which are added to curries, sambar and are cooked until soft. These drumstick pods and their seeds are rich in vitamin C and B. The leaves of drumsticks, which are also known as moringa leaves, are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are also cooked as any other leafy vegetables in some of South. They are used in many feeding programs to fight against malnutrition. In Ayurveda, there are many uses of these moringa leaves, flowers and roots. Number 4. Sabudana or sago pearls. Sabudana is made up of tapioca starch, which is extracted from the roots of cassava plant. The starch in sabudana is a resistant starch. Resistant starch do not get digested in small intestine, but they reach large intestine where they ferment and act as a food for microbes, which means sabudana is a prebiotic food. Sabudana has zinc, which develops our immune system and essential for good hair. Sabudana is also a high energy food which can be eaten when we are fatigued. That's why it is eaten during Indian fast. Sabudana can be made into two: sabudana khichdi or a dessert which is sabudana kheer. Number 3. Yams. Yam is basically a tuber which grows under the soil. Don't confuse with sweet potatoes. They both are not the same thing. There are over 600 varieties of yams reported around the globe. The yam native to India is known as elephant's food or jimikand. If we eat this superfood regularly, we will suffer from less digestive issues. It boosts metabolism, which is great for weight loss. It also promotes and maintains a good hormonal balance. We have to take it once a week. We can boil them, stir fry them or even roast them. Number 2. Sattu, roasted gram flour. Sattu was known as poor man's food during olden times, but now it is known as a superfood. Sattu has about 20% protein and it is a good source for iron and calcium. It has a good amount of fiber and suggestive for people with digestive problems. It is also a high. There are 2 popular ways of making sattu a part of our diet. Sattu, when mixed with water, becomes an excellent cooler drink that prevents people from summer strokes. Popular or famous Bihari sattu paratha is an excellent winter food because it makes our body warm. Number 1. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is originated in India. There is a long history of usage of jackfruit in our country, just like yam. The flesh of jackfruit has almost every vitamin and mineral. The most noteworthy are vitamin C and A, which is good for people with blood pressure. Scientific studies reported that jackfruit has many antioxidants and it is one of the best anti-aging food. The raw form of jackfruit, often called mock meat, is cooked into curries and biryanis. The ripe form of jackfruit is more yellow in color and sweeter in taste. That's why it is eaten as it is. The seeds of jackfruit have little wonders in themselves because they have protein and riboflavin, which are recommended for good skin health, and these seeds are also recommended for people with bone issues because they can build bone mineral density and can treat osteoporosis. The dried seeds of jackfruit is eaten directly or made into curries. All I have to say is that we have to add jackfruit definitely into our diet. These 5 superfoods are sure to bring you good health and you should definitely make them a part of your diet. I'll try to include these 5 superfoods in my diet at least once a week. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. I'll come with more interesting topics and more interesting videos. Till then, bye.